The unique parts required by aerospace OEMs are more and more complex. And the more complex the part, the more skilled your team needs to be.
Knowing the best way to machine a part can save hours of costly machining time, provided you have skilled operators able to oversee the production process and efficient programming.
Machining complex parts in small batches means more setup time and more varying cycle time.
High mix or volume doesn't require reinventing the wheel for every job. Simple equipment that works is often better than getting the latest expensive machine.
Seco manufacturing transformation provides step training for every level of the organization, from managerial masterclass as well as CAD/CAM expertise for the most complex parts.
In addition to our evaluation services, we can also design tailor-made improvement programs to help you master high mix or volume production.